Hello everybody, welcome to episode 3 of Campfire Cooking, and today I'll be doing a Moroccan inspired leg of lamb with some couscous and flatbread. I've got a hanging cook set by Silver End. This is what you hang the pot off. So to start off with, I'm going to be using these here to hang the leg of lamb directly over the fire, and then we'll continue with the rest of the recipe. We've got the cherry bell peppers with stuffed cheese, the harissa paste, got some nice hummus here. I had to buy the couscous because they didn't have any packets of fresh raw couscous. Got the tomatoes, lamb stock. We have some Middle Eastern style flatbreads. In the future though, I'm going to be doing a video on campfire cooking breads, so I'll be doing all different recipes for breads. Now we have the yogurt to make a sauce, obviously leg of lamb, smoked garlic and peppers. So I forgot my knife, but I've got an axe, so that'll be fine. We're going to cut open the lamb. There we go, so that's a nice leg of lamb that Ash brought. Look at that. Look at that for a piece of meat. So I'm actually going to use the hanging set that comes with the titanium cook set, just to hang the leg of lamb over the fire. I don't know if you can hear, but it started raining. So we're going to hook that through a tendon right there. And we're really strong with that. And we're going to find another piece on the other side to hook it through. We'll start with the flesh. And that should hold the weight, as you can see. Lovely. So I've got the harissa sauce. I'm going to start off by just putting some of this onto the lamb. Get a good coating on there. Turn this bad boy over. And harissa it up. Plenty on, there's lots of meat here. Now this is going to take probably 3 or 4 hours over the campfire. In the oven it'll take about, depending if you want it pink, be about an hour, hour and a half. If you want it well done, 2.5 hours. Obviously over the campfire it takes a lot longer. There we go, we're ready to get this on the fire. Hang this over here. There we go. Let that start slowly. So yeah, I'm just going to turn this lamb over, show you how I do it. It's a messy procedure, but I'm going to hook these. I'll turn the meat over, take out a trusty York knife. So I'm just going to gauge where it's going to be to make a hole. Like so. Stick that bad boy in. Repeat the procedure. But this one's going to go for a tendon, so that's not going to fall off for anything. And then back on. It's a beautiful autumnal night in Yorkshire. The lamb's taken so long that the sun has gone down, but the lamb I've taken off to let it rest for like half an hour, wrapped in some tin foil. I'm just gonna char grill the skin off this red pepper. I'll put it in the bag, and then the skin will just literally sweat off it, which I'll show you. And we'll go on with the rest of the prep. So the pepper's all char grilled, so I'll put it in the bag. I'll cause it to sweat and make the skin just peel off it. So we'll put the tomatoes on now. Open it up. If you want, you can just use your knife and just scrape off like that. And it's basically a cooked pepper, but you get all the flavours, all the charcoal flavours into it. And it's okay to leave a little bit on because it does add to the flavour. I wouldn't recommend leaving too much on, but it's up to your own palate. And you can see it falls apart. It's cooked. It's been grilled and steamed in the bag. So we just dice this up like so. So this is going to go into the couscous. Add a lot of flavour. There we go. Next up, we've got the smoked garlic. You don't have to have this, you can just use normal garlic if you want, or if you can't get a hold of it easily, but it just adds that extra depth. Take the skin off. So it's gonna slice this garlic up. There we go. There's the garlic. So I'm using the titanium plate by Silver End. I'm going to use this to cook the sauce with. As you can see, the tomatoes are grilling away nicely. Just turn them over. I'm going to pop in the smoked garlic. There we go. So I've got the harissa paste here. I'm going to add this to the smoked garlic. I'm just going to saute this off just a little bit. I'm going to add some stock and some water. I'll put a lamb stock cube in, just to add a bit of extra flavour. Lacey seems to like the smell of it. And then I add some water. Have the pepper here that we've diced up earlier. And some of the oil that we've got with the cherry bell peppers, we're going to pop that in there. Just help fry it off. Put some of those in there. And that's on with the couscous. So just heating this through because it's already cooked. Down a bit. Got some fresh mint here. I'm going to pull a handful off. There we go. You can do it as fine or as rough as you want. And go straight into the yogurt. Gonna keep it simple because I've got a lot of flavours already, so we don't need any more.
Is that naan bread? Yeah. Oh, can I have some?
Yeah, of course you can.
I want half of it. I want half of it.
So since it's so dark, I'm going to take everything inside and I'll serve it up in the kitchen to show you. So I've come inside because the light outside is really bad. But I've let the lamb rest for about half an hour. As you can see, it's looking really good. And I've poured the juices into the sauce that we made earlier. As you can see, I'll just mix it in. That's all the lamb juices in there. And then it's just a case of putting it all together. So we've got the Moroccan flatbread here. Oh, look at those juices. This is the couscous with the raisins in it. Take a tomato or two. They're roasted as well. Put them on there. I've got the stuffed pepper goat cheese. Just break away a bit of bread and put whatever you want onto it. Nice bit of lamb. Some of this couscous, roasted peppers. Mint yogurt. There we go. Into the dipping sauce. Perfection.